Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be organizing the pantry. I have two of them, one in the kitchen and one in the hallway, and also my refrigerator. It's really, everything's just gotten kind of out of hand. We have a ton of stuff because I keep stocking up just in case we get shut down again. I don't think it's gonna happen, but you never know. And I just have like a food hoarder mentality anyway. Like I like to have so much food on hand, which I mean, I've been going through it, but I do have a family of 5. So like we do eat a lot of groceries. We cook at home most days. We eat out, you know, maybe once a week. But let me show you what we are working with. This is the hall pantry. And it is just messy. There's just kind of stuff everywhere. These bins, my kids just, they dig through them, but they don't like half the stuff that's in there anymore, and they're being picky, so we need to clean out what they're not eating and clean up down there. Then the pantry in the kitchen is right here, and it's just, again, a big mess. So we are going to get started on that, and then the fridge just needs like a clean out of any like old food or anything like that. Like there's some old Chinese in there that I need to ditch. I see it every time I go in there and I just keep shoving it to the back. So let's get started.
That I'm not alone at being alone. And the state of mind, this place of mine, it seems most of the time doesn't feel I'm home. Comes to me as no surprise. The things I see without my eyes, it's incredible. Even though I think I've seen better days, I should know eventually these things change in the strangest ways. In the strangest ways. Try my best to read the signs. I'm only halfway there, and I don't know where. And it comes to me when I meet my fears, the things I hear without my ears, when I'm not invincible. Things like this don't make much sense. What's the cure for emptiness? How long should this feeling last? Waiting for a loan to pass. Even though I think I've seen better
right, so this is what I've got so far. Just put all of our sauces, peanut butter, jellies, all of that up there. And then I have all of our baking goods. I pre-make muffin mix because we make muffins a lot, so that's just the homemade muffin mix. And then I have extra flour, sugar, oats back there, and then applesauce, more baking goods. And I have all my rice and pasta and mac and cheese. And then down here is the pasta that we are currently using. Some chips, some animal crackers, our canned goods. We don't use many canned goods. And then just some extra sauces, ketchup, salsa, things like that.
Mama, look what...
Nice save, Leighton. You almost fell down the stairs. Beautiful.
It was actually like...
Then I organized all of the snack bins, so now the kids can actually see what there is in there. I put a few like containers at the bottom to keep everything nice and neat. So that is what we are working with now.
You're always talking about leaving. Milk carton, black and white face. Smile vacant for the picture. Parents waiting in the driveway. Oh, my darling, Arizona. Why you packing up your suitcase? Hasn't anybody told you? Oh, my mouth on fire, drowning in your holy water. Could be better. It's time to move on. Won't be yours forever. Holy water could be better. It's time to move on. Won't be yours forever.
So this is actually the next day, and I think we had friends over or something, but I never got to show you the pantry and the kitchen. That's all complete. So on this top shelf, I just put nuts and some M&Ms, salad toppings, things like that, all in these mason jars, and I love it. I already had those mason jars, so I didn't have to buy anything new. Also the same here. I just need to flip that lid because it's going the wrong way. My OCD is real. So, and it wasn't the same way as what's behind it. Oh my god, it's so bad. So now I just have snacks, and I actually moved all of the cereal and the bread down a shelf because the kids get their own cereal and things now. They could reach the top before, but it was just easier. And yes, it kills me that that other cereal container does not match. And then at the end, last shelf is just popcorn and some chips. Alright guys, and that is it for this organize and clean with me. We got the pantry, both pantries done, and also the refrigerator. So make sure you are, hi Austin.
I
So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.